Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to add any shopping cart on your Google site, then you are at the right place. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide that how you can add a shopping cart on your Google site. Let's dive right in. First, you have to enter to your Google site just like me, as I have opened a demo site for this video. Now you can see here is no product section, so I'm going to add a section for showcasing my products. You can add multiple sections for showcasing your products. Now I'm going to add my product image to this section. Just click on this plus icon and you can add your product image. Remember, you have to add an attractive product image of your dedicated product. After adding image, it's time to add a shopping cart button that can help customer to purchase this product. This button will work for complete the purchase process for the customer. But first, I have to enter the name of my products just like this. In this section, I'm going to enter my product names. Now down below in this empty section, I will add the shopping cart button. For this, we need to go to RomanCart. Just search for RomanCart, and the first results, the first website is the website where you can make a shopping cart button. As you can see, I'm at the RomanCart homepage. Now here you can see the demo of shopping cart button just like this. It will show up like this on your Google site. Now let's know a little about how RomanCart works. This is what you need to do. You can paste RomanCart shopping cart button on to Facebook, Twitter, Insta, your blog posts, or any website, whether you have coded the site yourself or by used any website builder such as WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Shopify, and anything else. Just RomanCart hyperlink button will work anywhere. That's mean just copy the hyperlink and enter to your code where you need to add the shopping cart button. Now let's sign in to RomanCart for creating a shopping cart button for our Google site. It's so easy to sign in to RomanCart. Just enter your email and password and they will verify your email. Go through the verification process and you will be presented to RomanCart dashboard like this. Now go to manage section and click on it. Now click on products. Then you can find a icon with package with plus icon. This icon is for adding a new item for payment process. Now I'm going to add my item here. You need to select category, then item code if you have. Then you have to enter your item name and select a price for your item, and also the cost mean if it have any tax or any delivery charges, then you can include it. Now click on save to save the product for your payment process. As you can see, I'm already added the product for me. Now you need to click on your product here and you can copy the details. Now you also can delete a product by clicking on this trash icon. Now the most important thing is click on your product and here you can see show code option. Click on it and you will find some way to copy the code. But first we need to add the button here. You can add a button as a text or as anchor text. You can say like I'm writing a text on my Google site and I'm going to turn this text into anchor text by clicking on this link button, and this is the main thing to make any button work. But remember, Google sites only allow hyperlink code, so we need to copy the hyperlink URL, then paste this hyperlink URL to your Google sites and in this link section and click on apply. Then you can see the text is now underlined. That means the text is now a anchor text. Someone who click on this text will redirect to your transaction page. That means it is now a button for you. It will work like a button for you, but you can also add a real button to your Google sites. So let's see how we can add a customized real button in Google site. I'm going to delete this anchor text for now, and at the right side menu you can find button option. Click on it and you can customize the name of the button. Give a name for this button that will show up on the button, and you need to link this button with the transaction page. Now here is the full working button. Now I'm going to place this button here. Now this button will work properly for as the shopping cart button. Whenever someone click on this button, they will redirect it to the transaction page of your product. Pretty easy, right? That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon for further notification of updated tutorial video. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.